Here we have a 7" by 10" horizontal bandsaw. I have it powered up so you can watch it run. Hydraulic down feed. As the hood comes down, shut the machine off. We tested the coolant pump that operates. Okay, so what we have here is this toggle switch here. This is a metal toggle switch. It was metal, and we replaced it with a plastic one. It does operate. It's a 3-position switch. And we have a plastic fan shroud here for the motor. It's a little damaged. Hold down screw broke off right here. It's all repairable. We had to put a new capacitor on here, the 400 microfarad, and the one that was in there was a little bit smaller, and there's no cover for it. Also, the junction box right here, as you can see, is kind of broken around here. They're all replaceable parts. A couple little dings, a couple little dents on the front, one there on the back. Other than that, it's in really good condition, good working condition. It includes 4 casters. This is your belt shroud right here, and 2 axles. And you got material stop and your instruction manual. Like I said, it's in really good condition other than those little minor cosmetic things.